Today we will study the first chapter of class 12, that is electric charges and fields. Another name is it is for electrostatics. What is electrostatics? Electrostatics is the deals with the study of forces, fields and potentials arising from static charges. What do you mean by static charges? Static means anything that does not move or change with time. So if you don't have moving charges, then also electricity will produce. How? This is because of frictional electricity. Second topic, on rubbing a glass rod with silk cloth, it is found that both the objects acquire the properties of attraction or repulsion. If two glass rods both rubbed with silk are brought close to each other, they repel. If two pieces of silk cloth with which the rods were rubbed are brought close to each other, they also repel. If the glass rod is brought near the silk cloth, they attract. The reason for these forces of attraction and repulsion can be explained as follows. On rubbing these insulators, the bodies are electrified. Charges are transferred from one to the other. There are two kinds of electrification possible. If the object loses electrons, it acquires a positive charge, and if it gains electron, it acquires a negative charge. Properties of charges: like charges repel and unlike charges attract. Properties which differentiate the two kinds of charges is called polarity of charges. Next one is conductors. Conductors are the substances which allow passage of electricity through them. All those which allow electricity to pass through them are called conductors. All elements are not conductors. That you will study in detail in chemistry. Next is, what are insulators? Insulators are the objects which does not allow passage of electricity through them easily. Generally, non-metals will come under this category. Next is charging by induction. That is the process we are studied in frictional electricity also. Charging by induction, that is by rubbing two objects, you can induce the charge in another object which does not have charges. Next is the properties of electric charge. Properties of electric charges are additivity of charges, that is, total charge carried by an object is obtained by adding the individual charges algebraically. If a body carries n charges, the total charge will be Q equal to Q1 plus Q2 plus Q3 up to Qn. Charge has only magnitude, no direction. Second property is conservation of charge. Like energy is conserved, similarly charges are also conserved. That is, according to law of conservation charges, the total charge of an isolated system remains constant. A charge can neither be created nor be destroyed, but can be transferred from one body to another. Next is property of charges is quantization of charge. Quantization of charge means that you can give the quantity to charges. Till now we have studied about Q equal to Q1 plus Q2 plus Q3 plus Q. But we can give any number to this quantity of charges. Electric charge carried by any body is always an integral multiple of E, where E is the charge carried